Hello everyone. Today we will discuss maturation. So the excretor system. So last topic is the maturation. So the maturation means the excretion of urine from the outside. Excretion of urine from the urinary bladder to excretion outside. So these are called as maturation. First of all, the urine the formation in the nephrons. The urine formed in the nephrons. So nephrons they carry to the urinary bladder. The urine primarily the formation of the in the nephrons. The formation of the urine. The nephron sending to the carrying to the urinary bladder. For example, just rough diagram. So these are the urinary bladder. So the urinary bladder, inner wall of the urinary bladder, they contain a stretch receptors. The inner side of the urinary bladder, wall of the urinary bladder, they contain a stretch receptors. Next one, wall of the urinary bladder they contain a smooth muscles. Wall of the urinary bladder they contain a smooth muscles. First of all, the urine form in the nephrons. The nephrons to the sending, the carrying to the nephrons to the urinary bladder. So the urinary bladder, say the storing of the urine, temporary storing of the urine from the urinary bladder. So the urinary bladder, they filling with the urine. The urinary bladder fill with the urine. So the stretch receptors filling with the urine from the urinary bladder, the stretch receptor identify the filling of the urine. So these stretch receptors sending impulse from the central nervous system. So the filling with urine from the urinary bladder, that time the stretch receptors identify the filling of the urine. So these stretch receptors impulse sending with the central nervous system. The impulse, the urine filling, the impulse sending with the stretch receptor from the central nervous system. The central nervous system sending motor impulse. The central nervous system sending motor impulse from the smooth muscles. Motor impulse messages. So the central nervous system sending motor messages from the central nervous to smooth muscles. So they are the smooth muscles. So the smooth muscles are the contraction. So that time urethral sphincters. So the urinary wall contain a urethral sphincters. The urethral sphincters are the open. The smooth muscles are the contraction. Urethral sphincters are the open. So the urine going to the outside. So they are the urine. So this process is called as maturation. Very simple. So first step, the urinary bladder, they temporary storing of the urine. So the wall of the urinary bladder they contain a stretch receptors. The urinary bladder filling with the urine, that time the stretch receptors sending the messages from the urinary bladder to central nervous system. So the central nervous system sending the motor messages, sending the motor impulse. That motor impulse, the contraction of the smooth muscles of the urinary bladder. That time the urinary bladder is contraction. At the same time the urethral sphincters are the open. Urine going to the outside. So this process is called as maturation. Next one, urine. Next one, urine. So the approximately the healthy individuals, the healthy human beings per day they are releasing to the 1 to 1.5 liters, 1 to 1.5 liters of urine per day excretion. Healthy human beings per day excreting 1 to 1.5 liters. Next one, so the color, urine color. So the urine color is a light yellow color. Urine color is light yellow color. The urine color is light yellow color. The urine is a light yellow color. Next one, the pH, urine pH. So the urine pH is the 6.0. Urine pH 6.0 because these are the slightly acidic. Slightly acidic. So the urine pH 6.0. So they are the slightly acidic. So the urine contain 96% water. The urine 96% water, 2% urea. 2% urea, other 2% is the dissolved substances. Dissolved substances. So totally 100%. So 96% of water presenting on the urine. Only 2% of the urea is presenting. 2% other dissolved substances. Per day, normal healthy individuals excreting 25 to 30 grams. 25 to 30 grams of urea is excreting. Per day, only 25 to 30 grams of urea is excreting. Only 2% of urea presenting on the urine. 96% of water. Only 25 to 30 grams per day. 25 to 30 grams of urea excreting per day. For a day excreting only 25 to 30 grams only. Next one, the analysis of the urine. Analysis of the urine, they identify the metabolic disorders. So the analysis, so diagnosis of the urine. So identify the urine test. So the diagnosis of the urine test, identify the metabolic disorders. Identify the metabolic disorders. So the diagnostic of the urine, they identify the metabolic disorders. For example, in urine they contain a ketone bodies and glucose. Urine contain a glucose and ketone bodies. Glucose and ketone bodies. So that person they causing the disease diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus. The urine contain a glucose and ketone bodies presenting on the excreting urine. That person causing the disease, the disease is called as diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus. So they are the urine. So normally urine per day excreting only 1 to 1.5 liters. So the color is a light yellow color. pH 6.0. So they are the slightly acidic. Next one, the urine contain a 96% water, 2% of urea and 2% of dissolved substances. Per day average 25 to 30 grams of urea excreting per day. So the analysis of the and diagnosis of the urine, identify the metabolic disorders. Example, the urine contain a glucose and ketone bodies, that person causing to the diabetes mellitus disease. Diabetes mellitus disease. Next one, another topic involving another organs of excretion. Another organs of excretion. Another organs of role of another organs of excretion. Role of another organs of excretion. So the excretion main function only kidneys. For example, another organs like liver. Staple liver. So the liver excreting to the involving of the first one lungs. First one lungs. Next one liver. Next one skin. So skin. So these three organs are involved into the excretion: lungs, liver, skin. So these three organs are involving of the excretion functions. First one, lungs. First one, lungs. So the lungs per day average 18 liters. 18 liters of carbon dioxide is excretion per day. Average 18 liters of carbon dioxide is excretion from the lungs. Next one, the lungs also excreting from the water. Lungs also excreting to the water. So the water is excreting through the water vapors. Water vapors. Water vapors, like seeing the front of the mirror, the excretion process, inhalation and exhalation. Exhalation time, the mirror they contain a water like fluids, so they are the excretion time. So the excretion of some amount of the water vapors. So the water is excretion, so the vapors like, so water vapors are the excreting from the respiration time. So the water is excretion through the water vapors. Water vapors. So the dry climatic climatic condition, that time, so the more water is excretion through the lungs. More water is excretion from the lungs. Once revised, lungs, the excretion of the CO2 per day 18 liters of CO2 is excretion, and along with excretion time, along with respiration time, the excretion of the water vapors. Water vapors. Next one, so the dry climatic conditions, more water is excretion, and lungs also excreting of the volatile materials. Volatile materials also excretion. Volatile materials also excretion from the lungs. Next one, liver. Second one, liver. So the liver is the largest gland of the body. Human body largest gland is the liver. So the liver is excretion through the bile. So the liver is secretion from the bile. So these along with bile, they excretion of the bile pigments. So they are the bilirubin and biliverdin. So the worn out RBCs. The worn out RBC contain a hemoglobin. Worn out RBC, they contain a hemoglobin. So these worn out RBCs, they dissolving, so they are the destroying. This process, the elimination of the bile pigments, so bilirubin and biliverdin. So these two is the elimination, excretion through the along with the bile. So they are secretion of the alimentary canal. So they are the excretion of bilirubin and biliverdin. This is also excretion of the cholesterol. So they are excretion of the also cholesterol. This is also excretion of the vitamins. Is also excretion of the drugs. So they are the involving of the liver. Liver is the largest gland of the human body. These are excretion of the bilirubin and biliverdin from the destroyed RBCs. Next one, so this is also elimination of the cholesterol, also elimination of the vitamins, also elimination of the drugs. Another one is the skin. Another organ is the skin. So another one is the skin. So the skin is involving of the excretory function. So they are the elimination of the some amount of the urea. The skin contain two types of the glands. One is the sweat glands. One type is the sweat glands. The sweat glands, they secretion of the sweat. This sweat main function, cooling of body. these sweat main function cooling of the body. So these sweat along with the excretion of the urea, small amount of the urea is also excretion. So small amount of the urea also excretion, and small amount of the sodium chloride also excretion. Small amount of the sodium chloride also excretion. So they are the sweat glands. Next one, sebaceous glands. Sebaceous glands. So these sebaceous glands also presenting on the skin. So these sebaceous glands secretion of the oil-like fluids. Oil-like fluids. So they are the protecting function. So they are the protecting functions. So they are secretion of the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. Next one is also excretion of the wax, and also excretion of the steroid hormones. Steroids. So these are the excretion of the sebaceous glands. The sebaceous glands, they secretion of the hydrocarbons, waxes from the oil-like protecting from the bodies. So they are the skin. Skin contain two types of the glands. One is the sweat glands, another one is the sebaceous glands. Sweat glands secretion of the water along with urea and sodium chloride. The sebaceous glands, they secretion of the hydrocarbons, sterols and wax. So these wax, they protecting functioning of the body. So these are the other organs involving of the excretion. Other organs involving of the excretion. Organs of the lungs, liver and skin. These three involving of the excretion of the waste materials. Next class discuss excretory disorders.